Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Voyage drone to your phone. First, make sure your drone's battery is fully charged. This usually takes about 50 to 60 minutes. Next, download the correct Voyage drone app from your device's app store. Search for Voyage or your specific drone model number, like Voyage PA1003, to find the right one. Once your battery is charged, install it into your Voyage drone and press the power button for a few seconds until the LED lights begin to flash. This signals the drone is active and ready for connection. Now, on your smartphone, navigate to the Settings menu and find the Wi-Fi section to prepare for the next step. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, you will see a network named Voyage, followed by several numbers. Select this network. The password is usually those 8 numbers directly attached to the Voyage Wi-Fi network name. Enter these digits to activate your connection, then confirm that your phone is successfully linked to the drone's network. With your phone connected to the drone's Wi-Fi, open the Voyage drone application. Inside the app, you should see a Start button, often located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap this button to begin viewing the real-time video feed from your drone's camera. You are now ready to enjoy flying your Voyage drone and capturing amazing footage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.